Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva Styles. I'm going to be showing you guys a little bit of what I just recently purchased from Walmart. So I purchased a bunch of yarn. You guys will not believe what I've been into lately. Look at that. I think this one is really pretty. Cute, right? And then I didn't even know Walmart had like these little cheap ones. Now these was only like $1.77. I think the colors there are so cute. And upon finding that yarn, you guys, look what I found. Look at that. That's so nice. Now this one was like $5, but it's so going to be worth it. Look at that. That just looks amazing. And so soft. Like it's so soft. Okay. Now, you guys, after my trip to Walmart, I went to Dollar Tree. I initially went there looking for some sidewalk chalk. Didn't find no chalk, but what I did find is, you guys, they sell yarn. Like, they got yarn there, and this is actually like a fuchsia, like a pink color. I don't know why it's coming up like a red. So you guys, do not sleep on Dollar Tree. They got like all the colors. I grabbed all the colors. So just want to show you guys. And what I have been using all of this for is, now I'm gonna show you guys the very first ones that I made. These was the first ones I made, so please don't judge me. These are like little scrunchies. Like I said, these was the first ones I made. So these ones right here was like my trial and error, okay? And then as you can see, I got like a whole lot better. This one is super cute. I love this one. Now one thing that I will say that I had an issue with, you guys, I looked up a ton of videos, probably like more than 50 videos. It is hard. I think the reason why I had so much trouble trying to learn how to crochet and knit is because I am left-handed. And every video was like a right-hander doing this. So I'm trying to like figure out how to hold it and switch it in the other hand. Y'all, I still don't got that totally down of how I'm going to hold it. But I'm going to attempt to show you the easiest way I know how, which is this one right here. You guys, I just love it. Love it. So, y'all don't judge me. Like I said, I'm still learning how to hold it. And this size is the 4.25. I was using a bigger one, but that one was actually like harder to work with. So, now I'm using this one. So, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, you guys, so now we are all done, and what we're going to do is we're going to go into each and every one of these little stitches on top that we created. You can choose which side you go in at. I'll probably go from this one. So we're going to go directly into the first one. Which side do I want to go in? I think I'm going to do it this way. See how each one has like that dip right there? That's where you're going to put your hook in at. And then from here, you're going to get your yarn and pull this one through, just like so. And then you're going to hook it again. So you should have 3. And you're going to take it through the first one and take it through the last one. And now what we're going to do is we are going to chain, how many did I do? I think I did 6. We're going to chain 6, which means we're just going to put it on, take it through, put it on, take it through, put it on, take it, come on y'all, put it on and take it through. We're going to do that 6 times. This yarn is unraveling. Like y'all see the strings just coming to loose? Okay, and this right here is what's going to give us these loops. This is what we're creating right here. So you can actually make these smaller, bigger, depending on, you know, if you want yours really loopy, or if you don't. These are 4, these are 6, and this is actually when I did it twice. So we did our 6 chains. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into the very next one. Like I said, we're taking it into that, and then you're just going to repeat the whole process again, putting this over the hook. Like I told you, I'm still trying to figure out a comfortable way to hold this mug. So you should have 2 on there, just like that. And then you're going to add the string on there again, which should give you 3. And you're going to pull it through both of those. Now you should only have 1 more to pull it through, because there should be 2 on here. And now you're going to do your chain 6, and then you're just going to repeat the whole process throughout the whole thing. So I'm going to go ahead and speed it up and meet you guys at the end. Alright you guys, so you want to keep on going all the way around until you get back to the other end, and you are going to hook it into the last one and continue the last one, and then I'll be back.